The Archaeological Survey of India submitted its scientific survey report of the disputed Bhotshala Kamal Mola Mosque complex in Madhya Pradesh that has remained a conflicted site since the past 2 decades. ASI's counsel has handed over more than 2,000 pages report to the High Court. The High Court hearing in this case will be on the 22nd of June. During the excavation, over 37 idols of gods and goddesses have been found. Findings also include painting of Trishul, mutilated Vishnu sculpture and temple remains, images carved on pillars as well. While the Hindu community considered the Bhotshala as a temple of goddess Saraswati, the Muslim side has called it Kamal Mola Mosque. As per the order, Hindus are allowed to worship in the Bhotshala on Tuesdays, while Muslims are allowed to offer namaz at the place on Fridays. The ASI started its survey on the 22nd of March and submitted the report today. Advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain and Advocate Hari Shankar Jain have reacted to this latest development in the case.
ASI report is very significant in this case. The ASI report proves our case and it makes our case very strong. We had set up a case before the Honorable Indore High Court that this is a premise of a Hindu temple and Hindu temple is being used as a mosque. The order of the ASI passed in 2003 is absolutely wrong, erroneous and in violation of the fundamental rights of the citizens of this country. So we had gone before the Indore High Court with this writ petition. The Indore High Court, after hearing both the sides, had appointed the Archaeological Survey of India to conduct a detailed scientific study. And today, after the report which is filed into 2,000 pages, and this survey which is conducted for 98 days, our case is become very strong before the Honorable Indore High Court. There is a stay granted by the Honorable Supreme Court on 1st of April on the proceedings of the Indore High Court. So we will be approaching the Honorable Supreme Court so far as the vacation of stay is concerned. So we are hopeful that in future the truth of Bhotshala will prove to the hilt, and this order of ASI passed in 2003 will be ultimately quashed.
देखिए, आज बहुत खुशी का दिन है। हिंदू जनता जो सदियों से धार में पूजा करने के लिए तड़प रही थी और जिसके लिए आंदोलन चलाए गए थे, और पहली याचिका हिंदुओं की तरफ से जो मैंने दाखिल की थी, तो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण सफलता मिली है। और ये बात आज रिपोर्ट से साबित हो गई है, प्रमाणित अच्छी तरह हो गई है। कोई इसको काट नहीं सकता कि वहाँ पहले हिंदू मंदिर था और वेद शास्त्र संस्कृत धार्मिक शिक्षा के पठन पाठन का कार्य वहाँ होता था, और उस जगह पर केवल हिंदू पूजा ही हो सकती है। 7/4/2003 को जो एसआई ने ऑर्डर किया था नमाज पढ़ने का, उनका आदेश दिया था, यानी उनको परमिट किया था, वो आदेश बिल्कुल गैरवाजिब है, इलीगल है, असंवैधानिक है। दूसरी बात आपको बतला दूं, 94 से ज्यादा टूटी मूर्तियां प्राप्त हुई हैं। वहाँ सारे खंभों पर वेद और शास्त्रों की ऋचाएं मिली हैं, संस्कृत श्लोक मिले हैं, पुरानी कलाकृतियां मिली हैं, और बहुसंख्या में इतनी सामग्री है कि कोई भी देख के कह देगा कि यह भव्य पाठशाला और मंदिर था और केवल हिंदू का था, हिंदू वेद शास्त्र की पढ़ाई के लिए था। और इसलिए यही नहीं, इस रिपोर्ट ने आंख खोल दिया है। मुस्लिम आक्रांताओं ने जितनी व्यवस्था जितना कुछ किया था, उन सब का पर्दाफाश एक एक करके हो रहा है। ज्ञानवापी में हुआ, यहाँ हुआ, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि मैं और मेरी पूरी लीगल टीम इस सारे उन जगहों को जहाँ मंदिर तोड़कर मस्जिदें बनाई गई हैं, उनको पुनः वापस लेने में सक्षम होंगे।
Etiyab Sheikh is joining us for more details on this story. Etiyab, what are the contents of this ASI report? What are your sources telling you?
Uday, as far as the content of the ASI report is concerned, the Honorable Court has clearly stated that the ASI has submitted a 2,000 pages survey report to the court, and the next hearing is supposed to be on 22nd, whereas the court has even instructed both the parties, as far as the Hindu front and the Muslim front is concerned, that the details of this the report should not be publicized until the next hearing. And as far as this report is concerned, I've been told that there are around 1,700 evidences which are claiming to be signifying that it was a mandir during the Parmar Regency. And as far as the antiques are concerned, the excavation which had been taken place, these excavation had been detailed by the ASI in the report. And as far as the entire survey was concerned, it has been conducted in 98 days, whereas a 5-member committee of the ASI, the experts, had done. Whereas in this matter, Uday, as you know, that even the Muslim Front has gone into the Supreme Court, and as far as the Muslim Front is concerned, I had a talk with them, and they said that this exact matter is to be taken into the Supreme Court. As far as the Indore High Court petition is concerned, the Indore High Court has given another date on 22nd of this month. Well, it is again awaited, Uday, that both the fronts are claiming as far as their position is concerned to that particular premises. But Dhar, as for now, I had spoken to my colleagues out there in Dhar, and as far as the people of Dhar are concerned, definitely they are just waiting for the High Court and the Supreme Court to pass a judgment on that. And the entire thing seems to be peaceful. Though we had seen certain clashes during the past decade, when there were clashes when the Basant Panchami and the Friday had collided or clashed on the same day. There had been clashes, but since then, it has been into the court, and the matter has been taken care. As far as the judiciary is concerned, this matter is in their hands. And now, since this ASI survey is being conducted as the Gyanvapi survey was done, so the report is awaited, but it has been said that it is around 2,000 pages of report, and we are just waiting for the 22nd of this month when the next hearing will be held.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.